Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to activate Mechanism in Genshin Impact. First thing first, find Fujiwara Toshiku, which is in the Serai Island near a ruined structure. Look for a scene where Fujiwara Toshiku is being attacked by 3 hilly curls. Defeat the enemies to trigger dialogue with her. After you save her, Toshiku will talk about hunting for ancient treasure and request your help in exchange for a share. She'll hand over a mysterious map with 3 rotating symbols. This is your clue for solving the upcoming puzzles. After accepting the quest, follow Fujiwara Toshiku. She'll lead you to a puzzle platform with 3 rotating symbols. A lever mechanism will be nearby. Interact with the lever next to Toshiku to begin the puzzle sequence. Use the clue from the map to step on the symbols in the correct rotation. You can start from any symbol, but you must follow the correct rotational sequence. Drop down through the newly opened entrance and inside a larger version of the symbol puzzle. Rules: step on each tile once only. Stepping on a lit tile again resets the puzzle. You can start on any tile, but you must light them all in one go following the rotation logic. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.